The Invoices module is integrated with the Exam, CPT, and Products modules to make creating invoices easy. An invoice will automatically be generated either for a new or follow-up visit charge on each patient when you enter the invoice pop-up window and click Create Invoice. In addition, any procedure located in your CPT module or product module can also be selected and included on the invoice. Let's review the invoice layout. In the upper left corner is the logo, which will take you to the home page from any layout. Next to it, the left and right silver arrows will take you to the previous or next invoice. The New button will create a new invoice. The Duplicate button will duplicate the current invoice. It is used, for example, when you have multiple similar invoices and want to save time on data entry. Next is the Delete button. If pressed, it will first warn you that you're about to permanently delete this invoice. If you click Delete, you will delete only that invoice. Next, the Search button will take you to the list layout so you can find any invoice using any keyword you wish. Next are the Print, Email, and Fax buttons. They do exactly what they describe. It prints, emails, or faxes the current invoice. Next is the Charts icon. It takes you to the chart layout that shows the total amount of invoices. In the right corner are the blue List and Table buttons. The List button opens the list layout, allowing you to search and sort through the invoice. The Table button takes you to the table layout, where you can do complex searches and edit data. The top blue band will give you the necessary information on the current invoice, in this case the name and the date. On the left is the projector, which gives you video instructions about this layout. On the right is the exclamation point, which will allow you to send a screenshot and instructions to me to correct any program glitch or make suggestions to make it better. Under the blue band is the set of tabs to direct you to the different parts of this file: Details, Insurances, Credit Cards, Shipping, HCFA 1500. Under the Detail tab, you will find all the information about this invoice: the patient information, doctor information, and billing information. Below that is the box that will contain the actual items and charges. The EMR will automatically insert the exam charge, new or follow-up, but you can also add charges for procedures and products. To add new charges, click the Add Line button. In the new line, click CPT to add a procedure, or click Product to add a product. A pop-up menu will appear and you can scroll down it to choose the procedure or product you wish. The rest of the fields will automatically fill in with the appropriate information and price. You can customize this invoice by changing the following: the discount rate, sales tax, terms, and you can even add notes or a payment message. Once you are done, click Print to print the invoice. Next, under the Insurances tab, you will find the insurance information. Under the Credit Card tab, you will find the credit card information or Care Credit information. Under the Shipping tab information, you will find the information regarding the shipping addresses. Under the HCFA 1500 tab, you will be able to complete the required fields for billing Medicare or insurance companies. On the bottom blue band, you will find all the current system settings. In the left corner is the dash to minimize the screen. On the right is the plus to maximize the screen. From left to right, the data on the blue tab include the date, time, the username, which is you once you've logged in, and how many users are connected. In the center is the Close button, which closes only this module, and to the right is the ID, current record number out of the total records, and the current printer. That wraps up the Invoice module. The key to making this process simple is to load all your procedures and products with their pricing into the appropriate modules ahead of time.